How to change your Zoho mail password. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Even if you have the Zoho Mail app, in order to change your Zoho Mail account password, you need to access its website. So on your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're in the login page, provide your email address or your phone number and enter the password of your account and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Next up, you need to go to your profile settings. Here in the right hand side, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. Now select this My Account over here. It will take you to your accounts page. Here you can see your account details. In the top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Now select the security panel. Here in the security page, at the top you can see the change password button. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to change your password of your account. You need to enter the current password of your account. After that, right below that you can see the new password field. You can then set up a new password over here. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Reconfirm your new password. And that's it. Once you are done, you can tap on this change password button at the bottom. And there you go, your password has been successfully changed in your Zoho Mail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.